Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Wealthfront Taxable Account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Wealthfront Taxable Account, start by logging into your Wealthfront account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Accounts tab in the menu. Click on the Accounts tab to view your current accounts. Find the taxable account you wish to cancel. Select the taxable account to open its details. Look for the Settings option within the account details. Click on Settings to access your account preferences. Scroll down to find the Close Account section. Read through any important information or terms regarding account closure. If you're ready to proceed, click on the Close Account button. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel. Review any tax implications or final statements during this process. After confirming, your account will be scheduled for closure. You will receive an email confirmation once the account is officially canceled. Make sure to download any necessary documents before the account closes. Keep track of any updates or notifications from Wealthfront regarding your account status. Your Wealthfront taxable account is now in the cancellation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.